Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now project management tools are the backbone of modern productivity. So whether you're managing a remote team, running a startup, or organizing your personal workflow. Now in 2025, three platforms stand out: Motion, Monday.com, and Asana. Now in this video, we'll break down what makes each platform shine and where they might fall short, so you can decide which one fits your needs best. Let's go ahead with the video. Now, first of all, let's take a look at the pros of Motion. Now, Motion uses AI to automatically schedule your tasks into your day based on priority and deadlines. It turns your to-do list into a dynamic daily calendar, removing the friction of time blocking. Now, this is incredibly helpful for individuals who get overwhelmed by planning. It's like having a personal assistant that constantly reschedules based on real-time changes. Now, Motion's interface revolves around your calendar, making it ideal for people who prefer visual time management. You can easily drag and drop tasks, reschedule meetings, and track your day in real time. It's intuitive and clean, helping you stay focused on what's next. The calendar-first design makes it unique among project management tools. Now, unlike platforms built for large teams, Motion is great for freelancers, solopreneurs, or small teams that want to prioritize individual task flow. It helps reduce context switching by servicing what matters most at the moment. This personal focus makes it more than just a team board. It's a productivity coach. You're less likely to get lost in a sea of updates or team chatter. Now, when you don't complete a task, Motion automatically finds a new time slot for it. This removes the guilt and clutter of missed deadlines. It's ideal for people whose schedules are constantly changing. The automation keeps your plans flexible without losing structure. Now, let's also take a look at the cons of Motion. Now, while great for individuals, Motion lacks some of the deeper collaboration features that bigger teams may need. There's limited support for task dependencies and multi-user permissions. It's better suited for solo workers or very small groups. Scaling it across departments may feel limited. Now, Motion keeps things simple, which means fewer options for customizing workflows or visuals. If you're coming from a tool like Monday with color-coded dashboards and automations, Motion might feel restrictive. It focuses on simplicity over flexibility. Now, that can be a strength or a limitation, depending on your needs. Now, some users find it hard to trust Motion's AI to handle their schedules correctly at first. It takes time to learn how to prioritize tasks in a way that works with the system. You might spend a few weeks adjusting before it feels natural. The tool rewards consistency, but the setup can feel overwhelming. Now, Motion's AI-driven features come at a premium, especially if you're just one person using it. Unlike some competitors that offer generous free plans, Motion requires a paid subscription from the start. Now, this could be a barrier for students or casual users. It's more of a commitment upfront. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the pros of Monday.com. Now, Monday.com offers color-coded boards, status columns, Gantt charts, and dashboards that are highly customizable. It's great for visual thinkers who want to build their own workflows. You can automate status changes, assign owners, and integrate with dozens of apps. It adapts to almost any team structure. Now, whether you're a small startup or an enterprise-level business, Monday can scale with you. Its permission levels, role management, and team visibility features make it enterprise-friendly. You can create shared dashboards or private ones depending on the project. Now, that makes it a favorite for cross-functional teams. Now, you can automate repetitive tasks like sending notifications, moving items, or updating statuses without writing code. Monday's built-in automations are powerful and easy to set up. Now, this reduces the need for manual follow up. Over time, it saves hours of admin work. Now, many teams use Monday for CRM, content calendars, HR pipelines, or ticket tracking, not just project management. Its templates support a wide variety of business needs. Now, that flexibility adds long term value. So, it's not just a project management tool, it's a business operations hub. Now, let's also take a look at the cons of Monday.com. Now, with so many views, buttons, and settings, new users often feel lost. There's a steeper learning curve compared to simpler tools. Without clear guidance, your boards can get messy. It takes time to set up effective systems. Now, many of the best features like advanced automations, timelines, and integrations are locked behind higher tier plans. The basic plan can feel limited for fast growing teams. It's worth it if you scale, but you'll pay for the power. Budget conscious teams may struggle to justify the cost. Now, while the desktop experience is polished, the mobile app still lags behind. Some features are hard to access or buggy on smartphones. Now, that's a challenge if you manage your projects on the go. You may need to rely on desktop for full functionality. Now, because everything is so customizable, teams can waste time building overly complex systems. There's no enforced structure, so bad workflows can creep in. Without a clear manager, it's easy to overbuild and underuse. Simplicity takes discipline. Now, let's also take a look at Asana. What are the pros? Now, Asana is known for its clean layout and easy to understand design. It's easy for new team members to pick up and start using right away. Navigation is straightforward, with helpful onboarding for beginners. It feels light but powerful. Now, you can link tasks together using dependencies, making sure one item can't be started until another is complete. Now, this is perfect for project planning with multiple steps. It helps teams coordinate efficiently. You avoid bottlenecks with better visibility. Now, you can tag teammates, comment on tasks, attach files, and follow updates all within a single platform. It's a true collaboration hub. Notifications keep everyone in the loop, and communication and task progress live in the same space. Now, Asana works seamlessly with Google Drive, Slack, Zoom, Outlook, and many other tools. It plays well with existing workflows. Now, this reduces switching between apps and improves team cohesion. The integrations make it more than just a to-do list. Let's also take a look at the cons of Asana. Now, while you can view deadlines, Asana lacks advanced time blocking or automatic scheduling features. Now, compared to Motion, this feels like a gap for productivity minded users. If you rely on calendar planning, you'll need an external tool. Now, that breaks the flow. Now, Asana's free plan is great for small teams, but larger ones will quickly need to upgrade. Features like timelines, reporting, and workload tracking are paywalled. Now, that can drive up costs for beginner organizations. You'll want to audit your needs before scaling. And Asana has some automation rules, but it's limited compared to what Monday offers. You can automate simple tasks, but not complex workflows. If automation is your priority, then you may feel restricted. Expect to supplement with external tools. And while Asana keeps you informed, the notifications can get overwhelming. You might get alerts for every comment, update, and tag, especially in active teams. Without filters, it's easy to miss what actually matters. Managing notifications become its own task. So, which one is the best for project management in 2025? Well, if you're a solo worker or small team looking for structure and time blocking, Motion is incredibly powerful. If you're part of a large organization and want endless flexibility, Monday.com is a top choice. And if you want something that balances collaboration and simplicity, Asana is still one of the most user-friendly options out there. The best tool really comes to your workflow and team size. So go ahead and choose the one that works with you, not against you. Well, I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.